A cropped cardigan is perfect for highlighting your waist and looks great with high-waisted pants or skirts. On the other hand, a longer cardigan can create a more laid-back, cozy look when worn with leggings or skinny jeans. 8. Go monochromatic. If you're looking for a chic and sophisticated look, try going monochromatic. Wearing a cardigan in the same color as your top or dress can create a cohesive and streamlined look. Mix different shades and textures of the same color for a more interesting and dynamic outfit. For example, pair a light blue denim shirt with a navy blue cardigan and dark blue skinny jeans for a monochromatic outfit that's still visually appealing. 9. Play with proportions. Playing with proportions is a fun way to add variety and interest to your outfit. Pair a long, flowy cardigan with a short skirt or shorts, or wear a cropped cardigan with wide leg pants. Just make sure to balance out the proportions of the top and bottom half of your outfit. If you're wearing a longer cardigan, wear a fitted top or pants to create a more streamlined silhouette. 10. Have fun with colors. Don't be afraid to have fun with colors when styling your cardigans. Mix and match bright colors and patterns for a fun and playful look, or stick to neutrals for a more sophisticated outfit. When mixing colors, make sure to choose hues that complement each other. For example, pair a yellow cardigan with a blue shirt or blouse for a cheerful and eye-catching outfit. 11. Try a statement sleeve. Cardigans with statement sleeves are an emerging trend in fashion and are an excellent way to elevate your outfit. They come in different styles, such as puff sleeves, bishop sleeves, and balloon sleeves. Pair them with a basic top and jeans for a chic and effortless look. When wearing a cardigan with statement sleeves, make sure to keep the rest of your outfit simple and streamlined. Let the sleeves be the focal point of your outfit. 12. Pair with wide leg pants. Wide leg pants are a popular fashion trend and look great when paired with a cardigan. The cardigan adds a cozy and comfortable touch to the outfit. Choose a cardigan with a longer length that hits at your thighs or knees and wear it over a fitted top with wide leg pants. When styling wide leg pants with a cardigan, make sure to find the right balance in the proportion of your outfit. Choose a cardigan that's not too bulky and doesn't overwhelm the wide leg pants. 13. Wear it as a top. A cardigan can also be worn as a top by buttoning it up and layering it with a jacket or blazer. This is a great way to add texture and depth to your outfit while also staying warm during colder weather. When wearing a cardigan as a top, make sure to choose a style that's not too bulky and has a tighter fit. This will prevent any unwanted bulkiness under your outerwear. 14. Try a statement collar. Cardigans with statement collars are a sophisticated and modern way to style this wardrobe staple. They come in different styles, such as shawl collars and oversized collars. These cardigans look great when paired with a simple, streamlined outfit. When wearing a cardigan with a statement collar, make sure to keep the rest of the outfit minimalistic and let the collar be the focal point of the outfit. 15. Layer under a coat. Cardigans can also be worn as a layer underneath a coat. This is a great way to add warmth to your outfit while also creating a stylish and cohesive look. Choose a cardigan that has a similar length as your coat for a polished look. When layering a cardigan under a coat, make sure to choose a cardigan that's not too bulky and doesn't add any unnecessary bulk under the coat. 16. Mix and match with prints. Mixing prints may seem daunting, but when done correctly, it can create a bold and chic look. When mixing prints with cardigans, choose prints with similar colors or patterns, such as stripes and polka dots. Pair a printed cardigan with a printed top or blouse for a trendy, eye-catching outfit. When mixing prints, keep the rest of the outfit neutral to avoid overwhelming the outfit. For example, Pair a printed cardigan with black jeans and a white tank top for a balanced and chic look.